Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch or like to purchase at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Cartier Panthere de Cartier watch in stainless steel and rose gold with a diamond bezel, silver dial in medium size with a quartz movement. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start just with a little overview. The Panther was created in 1980s by Cartier, so it's relatively one of the newer models that Cartier makes. Now 80s is still quite some time ago, but you know, it's one of the more recent ones. Not the most recent, but one of the more recent ones. And it's marked by this square shape. So all the Panthers are going to have this square-shaped dial. And this kind of bracelet, this meshed bracelet, which really marks and makes this distinctive Panther. Now, they make the Panther style watch in many different variations, a lot of variations, really, in almost every variation you can imagine. They make it with rose gold, yellow gold, steel and rose gold, diamonds, no diamonds, etc. They make a lot of different variations, okay? Okay, well, with that said, the variation that we're going to look at today, and also they make it in different sizes, by the way, small, mini, large, medium. So they make a lot of different variations, all right? And the one that we're going to look at, focus in on today, is this medium size in steel and gold. Okay, so let's move on here and talk about the dial. Oh, sorry, so about the case. All right, the case here is going to be a medium size. The medium size is going to be 37 millimeters. That's from top to bottom, 12 to 6, the longest distance. Which, if you think about it, a Datejust 36 it's almost the same size. But going left to right, it's only 29 inches or 29 millimeters. That's from the 9 to 3. So it's mid-size there. It's not going to be all the way around big like a Datejust 36, but it's in the middle. They call it the mid-size or medium. Okay, so that's 29 millimeters. And it's going to have a it's not going to be very thick at all. It's only 6 millimeters thick, or you can say 6 millimeters thin, and that's very thin. And that's probably because the watch is having a quartz movement, which means it's a battery run movement, not an automatic movement. Okay, with that said, let's look at more at the case though. What makes this case special? Well, first of all, it's a square. You see that the dial is placed in a square, and you see the lugs and the way that the case connects to the bracelet. It just has this very flowing line. It kind of like a Panther, I would think. You know, it's not very angular like some of their other watches, but it's well, actually, they don't make a whole lot of angular looking watches. They have these very smooth lines. I take that back. So they have these smooth lines that extend down the case of the watch and just make it look, you know, flowing, nice. So yeah. Okay, the case itself is going to be made of stainless steel. All right, and then let's look at the bezel here. They did the bezel here with a quartz, or I would say they did the bezel and they put diamonds inside the bezel. They didn't put too much to make it look awkward, but they did just enough to make it look luxurious. So just a touch of diamonds really did a great job. And they still kept the exposed screws to give it that like Art Deco, you know, look to it, which I think is a pretty cool way to do it. Okay, all right, that's the bezel and done in rose gold, of course. And let's look at the dial. Now, the dial here is just going to be their standard silver dial with Roman numerals. Now, Cartier has really become famous for their silver dial with Roman numerals, black Roman numerals, and blue sword hands, which is exactly what this one is. And they've become really famous at making their dials, and this is their look. No one really does a Roman numeral look quite like Cartier does it. Okay, so let's move on from that. Let's look at the bracelet. Now, the bracelet here is a Panther bracelet, and I think Cartier really did a great job of making a very comfortable flowing bracelet here in this one. And the center links are going to be rose gold, the outer links are and the most center link is going to be in stainless steel. But you see there's so many links on it that makes the watch very fluid on the wrist. So it's a nice watch to wear, and it doesn't feel clunky at all because of the bracelet. And this is the Panther bracelet, by the way. It's just, if you look at it once, you probably don't forget it. All right, let's look at the movement here. The movement is going to be a quartz movement. You can't see it anyways. Quartz means that it's run by batteries. So it's, yeah, I mean, you're not going to be able to see it anyways. But that doesn't make it like bad or anything. It just actually makes it practical in that you don't have to change or service it, and you don't have to change the time. You just you pick it up and it works. Okay, time to try this watch on my wrist and give my thoughts. Now, I like the Panther. I think it's a lot of people have been wearing it for, and it's been out for a long time. I guess since the 80s, so that makes it like more than 40 years old. A lot of people wear it. It's something that goes with like every outfit, and it's a nice looking watch. And the price point isn't so much. The retail price is $16,400, but you can buy it at jazztime.com for much less than that, like in the 14s or even less maybe. So look, if you want to buy this watch at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.